welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best exit lag settings for Fortnite to help your lower ping, reduce packet loss, and improve your overall gaming experience. So if you want to try exit lag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, open your exit log and log into your account. Once you're inside the application, click for the connection tab, click the add button, and search in the search bar, type the Fortnite, and then you will be redirected into another section. Click the route selection into automatic and choose the preferred region here. Exit log continuously chooses the most efficient route to the Fortnite servers and open the advanced settings. Select the TCP routes into 0 and the UDP routes into 4. And the multipath routing will be enabled. And the routes optimization will select into high. Many competitive players prefer using 4 UDP routes because Fortnite primarily relies on UDP traffic for gameplay communication. After applying the settings, click Apply Routes and wait for the exit lag to finish to optimize your connection. Now, let's talk about FPS. Exit lag itself does not directly increase your GPU performance, but it can reduce network-related stutters, packet loss, and routing issues that often make gameplay feel less smooth. For the best Fortnite performance also, play in full screen mode, disable unnecessary background applications, disable overlays such as Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar, use a high performance power plan in Windows, and keep your graphics drivers updated. This optimization can help reduce stuttering and improve frame consistency. Once everything is configured, launch Fortnite and check your in-game ping. Keep in mind that true zero ping is not possible for all players because latency depends on your physical distance from the game server and your internet provider. However, ExitLog can often help reduce ping spikes, improve routing, and provide a more stable connection. That's it. You should now have a smoother Fortnite experience with lower ping and fewer connection issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.